coming. It will be very scary. Hold on tight.
What's your favorite scary movie?
Who was that on the phone? Oh, nobody. What's today's date? 2 days till my parents' anniversary of their death. Hello? Hello? Stupid neighbors.
It isn't the neighbors.
Stop. Don't listen.
You're hearing things.
Yes, I am. Stop! Can you take my pills before I get some blood?
Be back to die.
Wake up, it's time for a new day. Okay. Wonder what today is. It's the 1 year anniversary of my parents' murder.
Really?
Really? What?
Well, I saw on the news that this woman got killed by this strange and ominous thing. I saw it on the news, and they say it was a killing from like a horror movie.
You serious?
Yeah.
You don't think it's... Do you?
I don't know.
Okay, let's go.
Hope it's not one of your family members.
Get close up on the stream.
I am.
Emma? I think my roommate's home. One sec, I won't be long.
Oh goodness. Emma?
Marcy? Marcy is...
What the?
Channel 82 News with Cornelius Schuenrock.
Hello, this is Cornelius Schuenrock with today's news. Earlier today in Murray, Kentucky, there's been a woman at a party found dead with her and decapitated. And today's weather is... Back to you, Reverend. By the way, I lost my Sharpie. I took a Sharpie. Ha ha! It gonna rain! Nice, Reverend. I told you a girl got murdered.
You're right. Well, you know, we have to really seek shelter right now.
I thought we'd go to Jimmy's.
Okay, Dale, come on, let's go.
Come in. Come on the light.
Oh God, it smells in here.
No, it don't. Hey, Jimmy. Jimmy, who do you think comes after us? Do you have any shelter?
Yeah.
Where?
There. Here's the way. Here's the light switch. Are you ready?
There's the latch.
Go first. Let's push open.
Go, guys, hurry.
Hurry.
This is where we're supposed to stay for a month.
Oh.
Guys?
No.
We're kinda out of food. Jimmy? Can you go get us some food, please?
I got a spider bite.
Go with him, okay? Go. Come on. Come on, guys.
There's somebody named Slay. Get out of our way.
Hey, it's the newscaster guy.
Shoot, I gotta think of a new report to make.
What is he doing?
What the? Oh my gosh.
Oh my! Oh! No! Password?
Deal.
Okay, come on, hurry, guys. Be careful. Come on, Jimmy.
Deal hole.
Come in.
Guys. I have a confession to make.
What is it?
I killed the reporter.
Wait.
That means he screamed.
Yes, I'm screaming.
Sam! He locked us in. You don't have a screwdriver, do you?
Jimmy was the first chapter. Jimmy was the first chapter. Sam is the second chapter.
Hey!
Praise dead. I'm coming for you next.